Hey, today I just got myself a brand new auto-leveling sound feedback tamper with the interchangeable springs. It comes with the 20-25 30-pound springs. It's made by a brand named Knodos, and it's called Auto-Leveling Calibrated Tamper version 2. And I got the 58.5mm version. It comes with the ripple base. Let's go ahead and open this package and see what comes in the box. All right. Go ahead and put this over here. So far, very nice box. Comes with a little user manual. Shows you what are the steps you need to do in order to replace the the springs and things like that. It comes with 3 different springs, 20, 25, and 30 pounds springs. Very nice. There's a 20-pound spring and a 30-pound spring. I think 25 pound is already installed. Comes with a cute little keychain. A portafilter keychain. I love these little touches. Very nice. Comes the little pin to remove this. And here's the tamper. Stainless steel, fairly heavy duty. It looks like a pine wood on it, real wood. And I like this self-leveling function. It has ripple base. You simply unscrew it to take this apart. And here's the ripple base. Here's the self-leveling section. And on top of it, here's the spring loaded mechanism. All right, let's put this together. Very easy. Kind of like pressure this part and kind of screw it on. Put your screw the base on with your left hand and then release it. Very cool. Yeah, this is the Knodos Calibrated Self-Leveling Tamper. Completely stainless steel, fairly heavy duty. If you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line in the comments. I'll be happy to answer your questions. Here's the close-up. They have a nice little logo. I have other items made by this company, a dosing funnel, and I think I have a couple other things made by this company. They're very high-end. This is going to be my first non-normcore tamper. All of my tampers are normcore. If you watch my other videos, you'll see them. And I really enjoyed the brand, and I'm just wanted to give it a try to this brand this time. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and feel free to drop me a line. If you own one of these, let me know how you like it and what type do you have. If you'd like to order one of these, I'll have the link in the description, and go ahead and check it out. And if you order through that link, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. So thank you. And I'll see you on the next tail steak video. Have a delicious day.